Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off call notifications on WhatsApp for PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable these notifications, ensuring a distraction-free experience while using WhatsApp on your computer. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Once the app is open, you'll notice a gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the Settings menu, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Notifications, and click on it to access your notification preferences. Here, you'll find options for different types of notifications, including messages and calls. To disable call notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Calls. This will prevent you from receiving alerts for incoming calls, allowing you to focus on your work or other activities without interruptions. Turning off call notifications is especially useful if you're in a meeting or working on a project that requires your full attention. With this simple adjustment, you can enjoy a more peaceful and uninterrupted WhatsApp experience. It's worth noting that WhatsApp has recently rolled out this feature for Windows users, making it easier to manage your notifications directly from the app. This update is part of WhatsApp's ongoing efforts to enhance user experience and provide more control over notifications. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy messaging.